Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make not one but two super powerful DIY eyelash serum. You can make them right at home, just a few simple ingredients. So let's get started. So the first ingredient is dry rosemary. I'm using it about last 2 to 3 years, and trust me, rosemary is like a natural booster for your hair follicles. I personally love using it because it's gentle and safe even for delicate areas like eyelashes. It improves blood circulation, which means it brings more nutrients to your eyelashes. And when your roots are nourished, your lashes naturally grow stronger and thicker. Honestly, I love it. So we add 1 tablespoon of dry rosemary. It's my favorite ever. And then we add cloves. Cloves are tiny but packed with power and contain antioxidant and vitamins that straightens the hair shafts. What that means for us: your lashes won't break easily. Listen again, your lashes won't break easily. They hold strong and new lashes will be healthier. So we add 1 tablespoon in it. Now add both rosemary and cloves into the boiling pan because we need to boil them. And add 200 ml of water. Put it on the stove and boil for around 20 minutes. The water will slowly turn a little darker. That's all the nutrients and goodness infusing into the water. Once it's ready, keep it aside and let it cool down. We will wait for it and I'll come back. Okay beauties, so while this water is boiling, let me just say something real quick. Like seriously, you're watching my videos but you still haven't subscribed. Come on girl, hit that cute little subscribe button right now. It literally takes a second. And also tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I just love knowing if my beauties are from US, Germany, France and Australia or anywhere else in the world. Just comment below. It done girls, so I'm just gonna pour it out carefully, and there we go. Look at the color, I love it. So the next ingredient is flax seeds. Honestly, this is such a game changer for lash growth. Flax seeds are tiny also, but they are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, protein and vitamins. Now let's prepare it. I'm taking it about 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. I love them and their smell are so good. And adding 200 ml of water. We will cook this on a low flame and little gently stir them. And stir in a minute again and again and again. Once you see the nice glossy texture, it's mean it's ready. At this point, turn off the heat and strain it to remove the seeds. And just look at the beautiful flax seeds gel. This is exactly what's going to make our serum smooth and nourish. Like this. This is like a best texture, gooey texture. Set them aside. And now set the seeds aside. Like this. Totally clear flax seeds gel. Alright girls, I'm taking another bowl now and add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed gel. 2 tablespoons of a flaxseed gel. 3 tablespoons. Okay. 4 tablespoons. Now enough. 4 tablespoons of flaxseed gel and my favorite 2 tablespoons of rosemary and cloves water. I'm in love with this water. I wanna drink this. Let's chat a little. I feel like making these DIY recipes is kinda therapeutic. Doing your own things, creating beauty magic with simple ingredients. Honestly, it feels so relaxing. Now add castor oil. It's amazing thing for your lashes, for your hairs. It makes them thicker, fuller. Add half tablespoons of a castor oil and just mix everything together really well until it's nice and smooth. And while I'm mixing, let me just say I love how simple ingredients like these can turn into such powerful beauty remedies. Like seriously. Okay, so I'm just going to pour it into a little clean mascara tube. This make it easy, super easy to apply at night, just like your regular mascara. And that's it. Our first eyelash serum is ready. So now I tell you how to use it. So girls, this serum is super easy to use. Just apply a thin layer on your lashes every night before going to bed. While you sleep, it's gonna absorb nicely into your lashes and do all the magic overnight. And in the morning when you wake up, just wipe it off gently and with a tissue or wash your face as usual. That's it. No mess, no extra oil, just simple and effective. Now we're gonna move on the next remedy. Let's go. Okay girls, now our second serum. Take Vaseline. Vaseline is amazing because it locks in moisture and protect your lashes from breaking. So take a bowl and I'm taking 1 big spoon of Vaseline in a bowl like this. And now add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. You already know castor oil is a queen for lash growth. It makes them thick and full like celebrities. When celebrities all the time use fake lashes, we grow our real ones. So now I'm using olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil because olive oil nourishes your lashes and give them a natural shine because we want shine also. Add them and now take vitamin E oil. Add few drops of vitamin E oil. This will repair and straighten your lashes, keeping them super healthy. Now just mix it all together until smooth and creamy. And that's it, babes. Our second lash serum is ready. Store it in a little jar or like in a mascara tube for your easy use. That's your wish. Now I'm stored it in my little glass jar. And now the second serum. The method is the same. Take your wand, dip in it and brush a light layer onto your lashes before sleeping. Let it stay overnight and by morning you are done. Easy peasy, no? And one more thing. Always be gentle with your lashes. Don't rub your eyes too hard. Avoid pulling your lashes and never sleep with heavy eye makeup. Little things like this make big difference, girls. Because at the end of the day, our lashes deserve the same love and care we give to our skin, hairs, and our complete body, right? Girls, remember that rosemary and cloves water we made? Just mix it with some extra flaxseed gel and boom, you are got yourself a natural home spray. It's amazing for your hair, keeps it shiny, smooth, and even helps with growth. So basically from one recipe, we ended up with two amazing beauty DIYs, lash serum and hairspray. How cool is that, right? Store it in a spray jar or you can use it as your wish. You want it with your hands? Then your hands. Use it before your shower, apply it and rest them for 20 minutes and then wash as usual, just like you wash your hairs. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.